Greetings of the day. My name is Gandharva. I am studying in MIT WPU. I am currently pursuing my MBA in digital marketing. So a few days back, there was a workshop conducted by Harshad Gupta sir on SEO. We have learned various techniques of SEO in this workshop. It was very useful as the knowledge gained from the workshop we applied in our day-to-day practices and also in our day-to-day practices and also in our projects. So we learn various aspects of SEO. We learn various tools which will help in our SEO. We learned about the GPT and its prompt, how to design prompts. Various other aspect was taught by sir for SEO. Also, what the SEO helps in the website and the SEO helps in the website and how we can enhance the visibility of the website on the search engine result page. So thank you.